Good morning, class. Today we discuss about equality. What are right? Right means those freedom which are essential for personal good of the community. The right granted under the Constitution of India are fundamental as they have been incorporated into the fundamental law of the land and are enforceable into a code of law. Fundamental rights are those basic conditions of social life without which a citizen cannot be at his best self, or those basic conditions which are very essential for the good life of a citizen. What is equality? Define equality. An ideal state where no kind of discrimination or inequalities exist. Why is equality important? It is basic human right. It helps in ensuring wholesome development of every individual without any bias. For a democratic and secular country like into it is all the more important. Equal rights for all. Types of inequality: socio-political inequalities, gender inequality, inequality in family, education inequality, class inequality, caste inequality, urban and rural inequality, women's inequality in decision making, political participation inequality, etc. Economic inequalities: employment inequality, unemployment inequality, poverty inequality, wage and age inequality, income inequality, labor force the inequality, etc. Health inequalities, health disparities, nutritional inequality, healthcare inequality, food intake disparities, etc. Inequalities versus equality in society. Types of inequalities in society: gender discrimination, bias judgment, caste system, religious intolerance, difference between rich and poor, different attitude toward minorities, different treatment toward disabled people, bonded labor. Kind of inequality that should exist: equality before law, equality treatment of girls and boys, secularism, equality of opportunity for all, empathetic attitude toward disabled people. Right to equality, constitutional provision. Right to equality, Article 14 equality before law, Article 15 prohibition of discrimination on ground of religious, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16 equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. Article 17 abolition of untouchability. Article 18 abolition of titles. Universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise, the condition provident provide for universal adult franchise. It means that every citizen who is 18 years of age or more is essential to cast his her vote irrespective of his caste, creed, sex, religion, or place of birth. No discrimination on basis of religion. Equality before law, abolition of untouchability, gender equality. Question to ponder. Why is universal adult franchise important in a democracy? List the provision in the condition for recognition of equality. What do you mean by the terms all are equal before the law? Why do you think it is important in a democracy? Thank you.